Hey guys, here's a quick tip. Whenever you're drawing preliminary plans, let's always keep the dimensions in even foot increments. Really the same thing goes for almost all dimensions on a preliminary plan. There's no reason to have any odd dimension like that unless you have a footprint from an architect and you're just using their exact design. But if you're proposing a shape, always use even increments for the feet, even increments for the parking layout or the parking spaces. If you need more space for more trucks or cars, instead of making the drive aisle 24 feet, increase it in an even dimension, like go up to 25 or 26 or 27 feet. Don't just stretch it out a random dimension and make the drive aisle 26.8375 feet. So on this one, I'm going to shrink this back down from 86.458 to 86, and I found I just drew in the little tab of how far I need to move it, and I'm just going to grab the midpoint from there and then move it to there, and then I'm going to grab the midpoint of this line and move it from that point to that point, and now it should be exactly 86 feet. Yep. And that helps keep our drawings clean, and thanks so much.